Now selecting plants. Select only native plants for your region. From your region. The reason being, they are naturally selected through evolution to survive and thrive in the local environmental conditions. Second, they don't need very long-term maintenance because they're already adapted to the environment. This helps restore native species, helps the microorganisms of the soil to thrive, thus enhancing the soil quality. Native birds, they nest only native plants. So if you get some plants from remote locations, some exotic plants, the native birds they may not nest there. So you're not actually helping restore the ecosystem. So you need to select only the native species. Select 4 types of plants. Basically, you need to select shrubs, subtrees, tree, and canopy. All 4 types of plants you need to select. And also, another thing you need to keep in mind that you need to plant at least 20 varieties of plants. If you have a very small patch of land, then select at least 20. But try to go higher. Suppose you have 1,000 square feet of land, then you should try at least 30 different varieties to plant. In my case, I have around 1,200 square feet of land where I am currently doing this, creating this mini forest. I have selected around 48 different varieties of plants. Shrubs, subtrees, trees, and canopy. And also I have specifically selected flowering plants, fruits, timber, and medicinal plants. So this way you can actually mix it and try to select as many varieties as you can. And how does it help? This preserves biodiversity because you have different varieties of plants, mix of timber, medicinal fruits, and flowering trees. This helps control pests, weeds, and disease. This enhances soil fertility, and it ensures a well-balanced ecosystem. Next is marking planting area. So while marking planting area, you have to mark the road. Like I haven't shown the road here, but you need to mark the road and the servicing area as well. Why you need a servicing area is because these forests are really dense. Once the trees grow, it becomes really difficult to get inside the forest. So suppose you have a fruit tree here, right, and all this area is planted with other trees, and there's no way for you to get inside and pluck your fruits. So what you can do is you can have servicing area after every few meters, so that you can actually reach out to the plants in the middle grids as well. So once you have marked your entire planting bed, the first thing you need to do is you mark your entire planting bed. Second thing, you mark your roads, then mark your servicing area, and then within your actual planting area you make grids. The grid should be of 1 meter by 1 meter. Once you have created those grids, now you need to dig pits in those grids. So how do you dig pits? Basically, every 1.5 feet you need to dig pits 1 foot deep and 1 foot wide, so in a triangular shape. So basically you if you are planting 3 saplings per square meter, you can plant it like this. So three pits in every square meter. If you are planting 5 trees, you can space them accordingly. Try to have at least 1 foot distance between 2 pits. So ideal is 1.5 feet.